Silence changes the balance of power. When I stopped asking questions, they relaxed. When I stopped reacting, they assumed I had accepted my place. They believed my quiet meant defeat. I allowed that belief to grow. People reveal more when they think you are finished. Conversations became careless. Plans were discussed openly. My name came up without caution. Silence did not make me invisible. It made me dangerous. I listened carefully. I noticed who spoke with confidence and who hesitated. I noticed who avoided eye contact and who suddenly became generous with advice. I did not ask for. I noticed how loyalty shifted when consequences disappeared. Silence is not empty. Silence is observant. They mistook calm for confusion. They mistook patience for fear. That misunderstanding gave me time, and time gives perspective. Perspective turns emotion into strategy. I learned who needed me weak. I learned who benefited from my absence. I learned who feared what I might become if left alone long enough. Every assumption they made about me worked in my favor. I did not confront them. Confrontation releases tension. I needed tension intact. Pressure exposes truth. And I wanted truth unfiltered. The more silent I became, the more comfortable they grew. They believed the story had ended. They believed I had accepted the version of events they created. That comfort made them careless. They spoke freely around me, assuming I was no longer a factor. They shared details I was never meant to hear. They laughed too easily. Confidence can be loud, but overconfidence whispers secrets. I began to understand something deeper. Betrayal thrives when it feels justified. When silence removes resistance, people convince themselves they were right all along. That belief blinds them. I stayed observant. I stayed composed. I did not rush to reclaim my voice because my voice was no longer the most powerful tool. I had awareness was. Every quiet moment sharpened my understanding. Every overlooked reaction strengthened my position. They thought silence meant surrender. In reality, silence was structure forming beneath the surface. They were comfortable. I was prepared. And preparation does not announce itself. It waits until assumptions harden and escape routes disappear. That is when movement matters. This was the phase where patience was tested, where restraint became discipline, where I learned that strength does not require explanation. Strength requires control. They had no idea that their comfort was temporary, no idea that the silence they enjoyed would soon become the space where everything shifted. What they mistook for the end was only the calm before something irreversible began. I remained steady, unmoved, allowing time to do its work. Every day confirmed what I already knew. Silence had placed me exactly where I needed to be. Ready, watching, waiting.